So in the first question, we have to find the major product formed in the following reaction. So the reaction is CH3CH double bond CH CH3 whole twice with reaction with HBr. It's a nucleophile addition reaction, and hence what will be formed in the final output product. So when we draw the structure of the compound with H plus and Br negative, the double bond gets breaked because due to the H plus and Br effect, and hence the double bond effects, and hence the CH is converted into CH2 and breaks the bond and gives the extra electron to the CH compound. And when it reacts with Br negative element, the plus sign gets attracted to the negative charge, and hence the compound formed is this. So the same compound which is formed is in the first option. So first option is the correct option. Thank you.